So this video is to show you how to quickly and easily associate your products to vendors. Now, if you have a lot of products, you may want to just go through the bulk import-export, and we do have a video for that. So this is probably the most simple for maybe private label sellers or sellers that have a lower number of SKUs. But there are things you can do in terms of using the filtering and using the page, the items per page, say lowering the items per page, and using the bulk clicking to make the process faster for you, even if you have a lot of SKUs. But what this is going to do is essentially you're going to go and you're going to locate all the items that are associated to a particular vendor. So we'll start with suppliers. We can click all of the items that belong to a particular supplier. Say these 4 items, for example. Then you click the bulk actions, and come down to the assign to supplier. Click that, and then select your supplier. And then if you want this to be your default, you can make it a default. That's a good idea, even if it's your only supplier. And in that case, you can then go through and assign secondary suppliers to certain products that do have secondary suppliers, and just simply leave that unchecked. And whatever you selected as the default will remain the default. So we'd go ahead and submit that. And then those items will now be added to that supplier. Okay, and then the next thing that you can do is you can actually, if you want to decide to assign, say, to a warehouse. Let's say all of these products are run through one particular warehouse. You can assign a warehouse to all of those items. And this will actually give you the opportunity to add the quantity. So you can go through here and you can assign each one to a particular warehouse, and you can assign the quantities. Now again, if you would like to do all of this on your spreadsheet, you can also do it there, and that might be easier for you. You can also do it for Prep Center, and you can do it for Freight Forwarder. So hopefully that helps. Hopefully that explains quickly how to do that. Again, you can use keywords to narrow your search. So if you had all of these products were supplied by one particular supplier, right? Let's see, sell accessories, and we would assign all of those sell products to that particular supplier. So hopefully that's helpful, and again, reach out if you have any questions.